Have you ever pondered about the marvels of marine life, specifically the unique anatomy of the octopus? The octopus is certainly an enigma, a creature that seems to defy the laws of nature with its perplexing physical features and intellectual abilities. One of the most intriguing aspects of these fascinating creatures is their possession of not one, not two, but three hearts. Yes, you heard it right, three hearts. This is just one of the many features that make octopuses a subject of great interest in scientific study. Known for their intelligence and versatility, octopuses have been found to exhibit behaviors and skills that are uncommon in the animal kingdom. They can solve puzzles, escape from enclosed spaces, and even camouflage themselves in the blink of an eye. So why does an octopus need three hearts? Let's dive into the fascinating world of octopus anatomy. An octopus is a master of disguise with a soft, flexible body that can shapeshift and squeeze into tiny cracks. Indeed, the octopus is an embodiment of adaptability, largely due to its physical attributes. Picture a creature with a soft body, which, akin to water, assumes the shape of whatever vessel it's put into. This is the octopus, an animal with a body so flexible that it can squeeze through an opening as small as a coin. But it's not just the soft body. The octopus is also a creature of arms, 8 of them to be precise. These arms or tentacles are lined with hundreds of suckers that can taste and touch. Each sucker is a sensory organ in itself, providing the octopus with a wealth of information about its surroundings. They also serve as an extra set of hands, helping the octopus manipulate objects, capture prey, and defend against predators. Now consider this. The octopus lacks a skeletal structure. That's right, no bones at all. This absence of a rigid skeleton allows the octopus to be an incredible escape artist, slipping through narrow spaces and evading predators with a fluidity that is nothing short of remarkable. And let's not forget the octopus's ability to change its skin color and texture in a blink of an eye. This skill, a result of specialized cells called chromatophores in its skin, aids in its masterful camouflage. Whether it's evading a predator or ambushing prey, the octopus is a true chameleon of the sea. These features, the soft body, the 8 arms, the lack of a skeletal structure, and the ability to change color, all contribute to the octopus's survival in the diverse and challenging marine environment. This creature's anatomy is a testament to the marvels of evolution, demonstrating nature's ingenious solutions to survival in the deep sea. Armed with these features, an octopus is well equipped to thrive in the ocean. But what about those 3 hearts? Yes, you heard it right, an octopus has not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, yet it is a fact of nature. This unique trait isn't just for show, it has a significant role in the life of these fascinating marine creatures. To understand how the 3 hearts of an octopus function, we first need to clarify their roles. 2 of these hearts, known as the branchial hearts, have the task of pumping blood to the gills. These specialized organs, the gills, are where oxygen is extracted from the water and carbon dioxide, the waste product of respiration, is expelled. The 3rd heart, the systemic heart, has a different role. It pumps oxygenated blood from the gills to the rest of the octopus's body, supplying vital oxygen to its muscles and organs. This heart is larger and more powerful, as it needs to circulate blood throughout the entire body of the octopus. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart, the one responsible for pumping blood to the rest of the body, actually stops beating. That's right, it takes a break. This makes swimming a strenuous activity for the octopus, which is why they often prefer to crawl along the seafloor rather than swim. This pause in the systemic heart's function can be likened to us holding our breath while running. It's doable, but it quickly becomes tiring. That's why, much like us after a quick sprint after swimming, an octopus needs a moment to catch its breath. This unique 3-heart system ensures an efficient distribution of oxygen throughout the octopus's body, providing it with the energy it needs to hunt, explore, and simply live its underwater life. It's a perfect example of how nature has adapted to meet the needs of its creatures in the most extraordinary ways. With this unique circulatory system, an octopus definitely stands out in the animal kingdom. Not only does an octopus have 3 hearts, but its blood is also blue. Now that's a statement that could make anyone raise an eyebrow. But it's true, the octopus, a creature already shrouded in mystery and intrigue, has another fascinating aspect to its biology. Its blood runs blue, quite literally. This azure hue is due to a copper-based protein known as hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is responsible for oxygen transportation in the blood, much like hemoglobin in humans. But why copper, you might ask? Why not stick with the iron-based hemoglobin that seems to work so well for us and most other animals? Well, it turns out that hemocyanin is actually more efficient than hemoglobin for oxygen transportation in cold, low-oxygen environments. This is particularly true in the deep, dark depths of the ocean where many octopuses reside. In these frigid, oxygen-poor waters, the efficiency of hemocyanin's oxygen binding increases, allowing the octopus to survive and thrive in conditions that would be inhospitable to many other forms of life. Hemocyanin is dissolved directly into the plasma of the octopus's blood, giving it that striking blue color when oxygenated. This is in contrast to our own blood, where hemoglobin is contained within red blood cells, giving blood its red color. But the blue blood of an octopus does more than just transport oxygen. It also plays a role in the animal's immune response, helping to defend against harmful bacteria and viruses. This is yet another testament to the octopus's incredible adaptability and resilience in the face of harsh oceanic conditions. So, the next time you think of the octopus, remember it's not just a creature with 3 hearts. It's an animal that's evolved to survive in some of the toughest environments on our planet, and its blue blood is a vital part of that survival. With blue blood and 3 hearts, an octopus certainly breaks the mold. But what does this mean for the octopus? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the significance of these fascinating anatomical features in the next scene. The unique features of an octopus aren't just for show, they have significant implications for the creature's survival. Let's dive deeper into the significance of the octopus's anatomy. Those 3 hearts we talked about earlier? They're not just there to win over marine enthusiasts. Each heart plays an essential role in pumping blue blood, rich in copper-based hemocyanin, around their body. This unique circulatory system allows the octopus to survive in the ocean's depths where oxygen levels are low. The main heart, or systemic heart, pumps blood to the body, while the 2 smaller branchial hearts pump blood to the gills. When an octopus swims, the systemic heart stops beating, which explains why octopuses prefer to crawl rather than swim, conserving energy. Speaking of the blue blood, it's not just a color preference. The copper-based hemocyanin in their blood is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments compared to iron-based hemoglobin found in most other animals, including US humans. This adaptation allows them to thrive in various aquatic environments, from warm tidal pools to the icy depths of the ocean. And let's not forget the flexible body. An octopus's body is highly adaptable thanks to its lack of bones. This soft-bodied structure allows it to squeeze into tight spaces to escape predators or capture prey. This flexibility, coupled with their ability to change color and texture, makes them masters of disguise and escape, further enhancing their survival. Over time, these unique anatomical features have evolved to suit the octopus's needs, enabling it to survive, thrive, and adapt to its changing environment. Survival of the fittest, indeed. So, the next time you think about an octopus, remember that it's not just a creature with 8 arms, but a marvel of evolution with a unique anatomy that's perfectly adapted to its environment. Our journey through the anatomy of an octopus reveals just how wonderfully complex these creatures are. As we've explored, these enigmatic beings possess an array of features that set them apart in the animal kingdom. Their 3 hearts, a detail as astonishing as it is true, pump blue blood throughout their bodies, another testament to their uniqueness. These hearts, each with a distinct role, work in harmony to support the octopus's active lifestyle, while their blue, copper-rich blood ensures efficient oxygen delivery, even in the deep, cold waters they often inhabit. Their flexible bodies, devoid of any hard parts except for a small beak, allow them to navigate through narrow spaces and adapt to their surroundings with unmatched versatility. Understanding the anatomy of an octopus not only deepens our appreciation for these fascinating creatures, but also for the incredible diversity of life on our planet. As we delve into the mysteries of the octopus, we're reminded of the endless wonders that nature has to offer.